Super El Nino explained, what it means for South Africa's summer rainfall. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Weather Focus Africa. If you enjoy weather, climate, and accurate forecasts for Southern Africa, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Today we're discussing one of the most powerful climate phenomena on Earth, Super El Nino, and what it could mean for South Africa's summer rainfall region. We'll also explore another important climate driver known as the Southern Annular Mode, or SAM, and how it influences our weather. Let's begin by understanding ENSO, or the El Nino Southern Oscillation. ENSO is a natural climate cycle that occurs over the tropical Pacific Ocean. It has three phases. El Nino, when the central and eastern Pacific Ocean becomes warmer than normal. Neutral, when ocean temperatures remain close to average. So what exactly is a Super El Nino? A Super El Nino is an exceptionally strong El Nino event, where sea surface temperatures in the Niño 3.4 region become much warmer than average for several months. These unusually warm waters release enormous amounts of heat into the atmosphere, altering global wind patterns, the position of tropical rainfall, and atmospheric circulation. But ENSO is not the only climate driver affecting South Africa. Another important driver is the Southern Annular Mode, or SAM. SAM describes the north-south movement of the belt of strong westerly winds that circles Antarctica. When SAM is in its positive phase, the westerly winds and cold fronts shift farther south towards Antarctica. During winter, this often means fewer cold fronts reach the Western Cape, increasing the likelihood of below normal rainfall and longer dry spells. During summer, however, the influence of SAM is more complex. A positive SAM can sometimes enhance the transport of moisture from the southwest Indian Ocean into eastern South Africa. However, if a strong El Nino is also present, its drying influence over the summer rainfall region often dominates. This is why meteorologists always consider multiple climate drivers together rather than relying on just one. So how does a Super El Nino affect South Africa? For the summer rainfall region, which includes Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and much of the Eastern Cape interior, a Super El Nino generally increases the likelihood of below normal rainfall during the summer months. This happens because rising air and heavy rainfall become concentrated farther east over the warmer Pacific Ocean. In response, sinking air develops over parts of southern Africa, suppressing cloud formation and reducing the number of thunderstorms. As a result, the summer rainfall season may experience fewer thunderstorms, longer dry spells between rainfall events, below normal dam inflows, reduced soil moisture, increased agricultural drought, more frequent and intense heat waves, a higher risk of felt fires due to dry vegetation. However, it's important to remember that El Nino does not mean it never rains. South Africa can still experience heavy thunderstorms, flooding, or severe weather on individual days. El Nino mainly shifts the seasonal odds towards a drier than normal summer rather than eliminating rainfall altogether. History provides several good examples. During the 1982-83, 1997-98, and 2015-16 Super El Nino events, many parts of South Africa's summer rainfall region experienced severe drought, poor crop yields, water shortages, and exceptionally high temperatures. These events rank among the strongest El Nino episodes ever observed. Finally, remember that South Africa's climate is influenced by several interacting systems. ENSO, the Southern Annular Mode, the South Atlantic High, the South Indian High, and sea surface temperatures in the surrounding oceans all play important roles. Understanding how these climate drivers interact helps meteorologists produce more accurate seasonal forecasts. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Weather Focus Africa, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a follow-up video explaining how La Nina, the Indian Ocean Dipole, and the Southern Annular Mode work together to influence South Africa's rainfall. See you in the next weather update.